In order to fix that, I'm going to open the IDE and I'm going to our Todo app, and let us go and let us open our progress component. And here we have the data and we have the is loading. And apart side from the is loading, React query also provides us with the flag which is called is error. And I'm going to also add that here, and I will go, and here I'm also copy this line and I will add something similar. So I would say if this is error flag is true, I'm going to return a paragraph and I'm just saying that there is a problem of loading the data. And what does this do is, like, when React query sees that there is a problem with the API, it also sets an is error to true. And we also have an error object which this also returns, and this is a boolean and this is an object, and this also contains the data which is related to the error. So let us also add a console log for that. So I'm going to add a console.log for the error, and then I'm going to return a paragraph which says that there is a problem of loading the data. And let us go to our app and let us refresh the page and let us see what will happen. As you can see, this is still in the loading, so you will see this retry, and now it is actually failing. And you will see that there is a console log the error, which are the access error, and this is happening that this is related to the network error because our API is already dead. So there is a network error, and these are the console logs that has been happened. And why it has not been fixed, because now we have another issue in the important to-dos. So this is also there. So I'm going to also put that there. So, and I'll also like loading, I can create a component and I will call it error, for example, error or error box. And because I don't want to copy every time the same thing, so I'm going to, from the progress, I'm going to return this paragraph that I have created and put it inside this JSX. And as a default, I'm going to export this error box component, and here inside my progress, I don't need the console log, so I will remove it. I will just return my error box component, and I also need to import it. And as we saw, we also have this inside our important to-dos component, so I'm going to copy this line, and we also don't need the actual error here. I'm going to only use this boolean, but inside is important. I'm going to also add this line, and I also need this flag, so I'm going to also add it here from the return value of the result query. So let us see it together. Let us go to the console, refresh the page. You will see the network failures, and we have 4 times retry, so at the last time I'm expecting. And now I will see another place that we have also list component. So here we also are calling the map on the data, and let us go to list component and let us also add the is error flag here, and let us also add it. And now let us refresh the page. And wonderful. Now you will see that it will React query twice, and after failing, now we have all of these error box components, and our app still is working, but we are also handling the situation that the API is returning is doesn't responding or doesn't return anything.